Let's go, Sunray. Let's go. Hey! He don't like me so much, I think.
Hop, 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 hop.
So today we are going to horse ride with Gunmundur, and we have these two beautiful horses here.
Before I take them, they think, oh, it's not tiger or lion. It's maybe another horses.
Yeah, because you are picking up grass.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, all right. Very nice.
So it's good to do.
Thank you, Gummi.
Yeah.
So I did a mess. I put the drone up and scared the horses when they were tied, and it snapped out. So we will not be able to ride it so much today, but next week we will go and try it.
No.
Sunray, are you going to be lazy today again?